Simultaneous equation. Simultaneous means doing more than one thing at the same time. This time we have two different equations and two unknowns. So we'll be solving them together to get the value for x and the value for y. These are the two unknowns that are in this simultaneous equation. And we'll be using the method of substitution. In simultaneous equation, there are two methods of solving it. The method of simultaneous by elimination and the method of substitution. So we'll be using the method of substitution first. For we to use the method of substitution, how do we go about that? We say from equation 1, we put equation 1 into equation 2. And we put the whole of this into this. That is, anywhere we see y, we put x plus 1. That is the meaning. So we have that x plus, this is y, we put the whole of this, x plus 1, which is equal to 3. So we have this as x plus 1 to be equal to 3. X plus x is 2x plus 1 to be equal to 3. So we have that. How do we remove 1 and take it over to this side? We say subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. From both sides. So we have 2x plus 1 minus 1 to be equal to 3 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, so we are left with 2x to be equal to 3 minus 1, 2. We say divide both sides by 2. So we left with 2x is equal to 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. These two will cancel this to give us x, and this will cancel this to give us 1. So we have x to be 1. We can now say put x equal to 1 into any of the equation to get the value of y. So we can put x equal to 1. Put x equal to 1 into equation 2. So we just do it like this. 1 plus y to be equal to 3. So how do we remove 1 from here? We say subtract again 1. Subtract 1 from both sides. So we have 1 minus 1 plus y to be equal to 3 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, we are left with y. 3 minus 1 is 2. So our y is 2. We can still check if our answer is correct. To bring any of the equation. This one is simpler. Let's use this equation. We know that x plus y is equal to 3. And we have our x to be 1 and our y to be 2. So x here is 1 plus y here is 2. If we add these two, we get 3. So it means what we have here for the substitution method is correct. Means that x is equal to 1, while y is equal to 2. also have another equation here, and we'll be solving it by method of substitution. This simultaneous equation, before solving it, make sure you itemize the equation. That means, like this, we make this equation 1, this equation 2. So we'll be looking for the unknown, which is the value for A and the value for B, by method of substitution. All we need to do, we say from equation 1, A is equal to 5 minus 2B. So we say put A equal to 5 minus 2B into equation 2. It means wherever we see A, we put 5 minus 2B. So from equation 2, we have 5, this is A. We impute 5 minus 2B plus 2B to be equal to 1. So we open the bracket. When we open the bracket, we have 25. But 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. 5 multiplied by minus 2b, we have minus 10b plus 2b to be equal to 1. So all we need to do is to collect like terms. Collect like terms. That means the values that resemble. So we have it as minus 10b plus 2b to be equal to this 25 will move over to this side to give us 1 minus 25. So minus 10b plus 2b, from number line, we know that minus 10b plus 2b will give us minus 8b, which is equal to 1 minus 25 is minus 24. So for we to allow b remain, we say divide both sides by minus 8. Divide both sides by minus 8. We have minus 8b all over minus 8 to be equal to minus 24 all over minus 8. So this will cancel this to leave us with b. Also, this will cancel this. 8 here 1, 8 here 3. So our b is 3. For we to find a, we look for any of the equation and put the value of b equal to 3 into it. So you say put b equal to 3 into equation 1. So this is our equation 1. Anywhere we see b, we put 3. So we have it as a plus 2 multiplied by b, which is 3, is equal to 5. So we have a, if we open the bracket, we have 2 times 3, which is 6, to be equal to what? 5. So how do we push this 6 over to this place? We say subtract 6 from both sides. Subtract 6 from both sides of the equation. Both sides. So we have a plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 5 minus 6. So 6 minus 6 is 0. So we are left with a, which is equal to 5 minus 6 is minus 1. It therefore means that our value of a is equal to minus 1, and that of b is equal to 3. We can still check if we are correct. Of course, if a is minus 1, we put a as minus 1 here plus 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So minus 1 plus 6 is 5, meaning our answer is correct.